guys, today we are going to see another extension in Chrome, that is ChroPath. So it is also similar to like S3 or XPath helper. ChroPath gives us the option of selecting what type of selector we want, like absolute or relative or CSS. So we can select based on our criteria. So just after searching, click on add to Chrome here. So add extension. So now the ChroPath has been added to our Chrome. It's better to restart once it got installed. Let me reopen my browser. So when I click on ChroPath, so it is asking steps like after adding restart your Chrome browser, open the DevTools panel, right click anywhere on the web page, on the which web page you want to select the locators, right click over there and click on inspect. Okay, so I'm doing same right here. Okay, so here you can see there is a ChroPath. Select that one. See, so I want the feel of this one. It is, you can see here, it is showing the I have highlighted this input field from I have selected, so it is showing a relative XPath for that one, absolute CSS. You can see you can edit also, like if you want to write the relative XPath, or you can copy this one to clipboard. So it is also showing number of nodes that is matching. Once you start writing right here, once you edit, it will show number of matching nodes here. And here you can select, like if you want only relative or absolute or CSS. So we'll try for this one. So it is also same like. So this is all about ChroPath, guys. Thanks guys, bye. If you have any questions related to this one, comment it out. I'll be replying to that one.